Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about investing in yourself. This isn't just about fancy gadgets or clothes. It's about making smart choices that pay off in the long run. We'll explore 3 key areas: skills that boost your earning potential, prioritizing your health for a productive life, and time-saving hacks that free up your time for what matters most. So grab a pen and paper because we're about to unlock ways to maximize your return on investment. Skill up for higher pay. Let's face it, in today's job market, many skills are key. Investing in upskilling or acquiring new certifications can dramatically increase your earning potential. Identify in-demand skills. Research your industry and find out which skills are most sought after by employers. Online resources like LinkedIn Learning or professional associations can be great starting points. Explore online courses or certifications. Many platforms offer affordable courses and certifications to help you learn new skills. Consider the return on investment, or ROI. Will the cost of the course be offset by a higher salary? Free learning resources. Don't underestimate the power of free resources. Libraries offer online courses, and websites like Khan Academy or Coursera provide free or low-cost learning opportunities. Let me share a quick story. My friend Sarah used to work as a customer service representative, but she dreamed of a career in digital marketing. She took online courses on SEO and social media marketing, and earned a Google Ads certification. With her newfound skills, Sarah landed a higher paying job as a marketing associate, proving that investing in learning can pay off big time. Health is wealth. They say that health is wealth, and it's absolutely true. Taking care of your physical and mental well-being isn't just about feeling good. It can significantly impact your productivity and earning potential. Improved focus and energy. A healthy diet, regular exercise, and quality sleep lead to better focus, increased energy, and improved productivity. This translates to better performance at work and the ability to accomplish more. Reduced sick days. Regular exercise and a healthy lifestyle can boost your immune system, reduce the number of sick days you take, and ensure consistent income. Lower healthcare costs. Investing in preventative care can help avoid expensive medical bills down the road. Besides your performance, you will also be able to show up for your family, for your hobbies, and for you with your full attention and energy. Time-saving hacks. We all have the same 24 hours in a day, but some people seem to get so much more done. Let's explore some time-saving hacks to free up your time for the things you enjoy. Automate repetitive tasks. Many tasks can be automated with apps or technology. Consider scheduling bill payments, grocery deliveries, or social media posts to save valuable time. Utilize productivity tools. There are countless tools available to help you manage your time and stay organized. Consider to-do list apps, calendar apps, or project management software. Learn to delegate or outsource. Don't be afraid to delegate tasks to colleagues or outsource small jobs. This frees up your time to focus on higher value activities. Lastly, take advantage of the digital world we live in. There are many AI tools that help increase your productivity. Some changes that I have made in my life this year to free up time is to use exclusively curbside pickup or grocery delivery. This saves time, and it also saves me money because I am able to stick to my meal plan and save on buying things I don't need. I also got a robot vacuum that saves me time cleaning. Remember, small changes can make a big difference. Start by implementing one or two of these tips each week and see how it transforms your life. Investing in yourself is one of the best investments you can make. By upgrading your skills, prioritizing your health, and implementing time-saving hacks, you can boost your earning potential, improve your well-being, and free up time for what truly matters to you. What are some ways you are investing in yourself? Share your tips in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more personal finance content. Thanks for watching until the end, and I'll see you in the next one.